Years ago, my wife and I used to get this cereal at a health food store. It was called Orangeola. Orangeola. It was so good. When I look back on it now, though, you know, there were oils in there. They had orange oil, which is probably not that bad, but they had other oils, I'm sure, safflower, canola. Those are not healthy. And it had grains, cooked grains in it. Again, not healthy. And every now and then we used to, you know, we'd say, remember Orangeola, how good that was? It was so tasty. So we decided to try and make our own. And here's what we came up with. It's like a granola, but it's made of dates, medjool dates, raisins, white organic mulberries, organic shredded coconut. So it's 4 ingredients. Okay, you got the dates, raisins, mulberries, and coconut. All right, I'm sorry. One more ingredient. I used orange powder. Orange powder gives it that orange taste. And we decided, let's eat it like cereal and put a little orange juice over it. So we've got some serious Orangeola here. So there's the Orangeola with a little orange juice on top. And this stuff is tasty. You get that orange, strong orange flavor. It's so good. The sweetness of the dates, the mulberries, raisins. It's over the top. But it's a power breakfast, I'll tell you. Anyway, the recipe for this will be in the description box. I used my Cuisinart to make this. It's so simple. It takes 5 minutes. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like. Give me a thumbs up. To your health success. And remember, fruit up.